So hello guys. So now I'm going to teach you how to create your own phishing sites in Roblox. So first log in your Discord account. There you go. Then go to your profile. You can you can change your real name. I You don't need to change your real name. The real name is your username. Fake name if you want, then display name. In game, yes, if you want to I premium description, then go to this the site, go to settings, then your Discord, then create your own channel. Go to settings, integration, create webhook, create, copy your webhook URL and paste it here. Save change, then go to logs. You can see who's logging in your link. So how VIP server if you want, grow a garden. It's a little bit laggy. Then click copy your link. This is a phishing site. And log in. That's all. Thanks for watching.